Welcome to our channel. In this video we're going to build a magic 8-ball game in Python. So if you don't know what it is, you ask the question and like shake it in real life and it gives you random answers like yes, no, maybe, or ask again later. So now we're gonna create it in Python. So first of all we'd like to import random. Yes, so next step we have to do is just create the answers. What can it answer? So let's write answers. So we make a list. So inside here we have yes, then no, then we have maybe, and then we have ask again later. Yes, it's good. So okay, now let's close our list. So next thing we have to write is the input, so question. So write question equals input ask anything. Yes, let's close it up. And next thing we have to do is just print random answer. So write print random dot choice. So it will, we write this so it will choose the random answer. So now we write from which he can choose answer. Yep, guys, now let's run it. Okay. Will I become a footballer? It gives this. What does it mean? Wait. Oh, yes, I wrote it incorrect. Will I become a footballer? Yes. So okay guys, this was all for this lecture. See you in the next video. Bye bye.